What's up, beauties? Welcome to the Ferny show. I hope that you're good. I'm really good and really excited because today I'm gonna try for the first time magnetic lashes. I'm not gonna lie, I've watched a lot of videos of girls trying out magnetic lashes and it wasn't on fleek, okay? They were struggling, so I hope that it's gonna be good with me, okay? Bear with me. You're gonna see how I'm gonna handle it. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to follow me on Facebook and Instagram at The Ferny Show. So you can see it's called Wake Up and Makeup. And inside you got the little babies. You have this little box with the lashes in with a little mirror, so this is really perfect and it's glittering. I really love it. You got the instructions and you got the tweezers. I'm gonna beat around the bush and I'm gonna go straight to the point and show you how to put on your magnetic lashes. Alright. Okay. Wow. So, tell me what you think about the lashes. There are three kinds of lashes: the dramatic, the natural, and the sporty. The one I got are the natural ones, but to me it's really bold, but I really like it. If you like it too, get yours. You have 10% off with my promo code. You will find everything in the description box. What about you? Have you ever tried magnetic lashes? And what do you think about those ones? Leave a comment and I see you on my next video. Bye!